Let's see. Okay, 10 to the 6 ppm, we'll see. Then, this is going to be one, just move the decimal over, well, this is squared, so we'll just move it over, this would be 1 ppm, would that be? Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6.
Why do you have to multiply it by a million grams or something?
0.1 ppm.
Why you gotta multiply it by a million?
Sometimes the numbers are very small. It depends on the fraction. If you have a fraction like this, you multiply by 100%, it comes out to 1%. This is very convenient, right?
Yeah.
But, if you multiply by 10 to the 6 ppm, then it comes out to, well, you gotta move it over 6 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It'd be 10,000 ppm. And so here, percent is much more convenient. But if you had something that came out like this, then percent is not very convenient, because if you multiply by percent, you move the decimal 2 places over, you get point quadruple percent. But if you multiply this by 10 to the 6 ppm instead, then it's much more convenient, because this would come out to 0.1 ppm. So it's just an alternative to percent, because percentages sometimes are too small. It's a hassle talking about it. Oh, what was the concentration? The concentration was 0.00005%. Well, that's a hassle. You might as well use ppm or ppt, part per trillion, part per bit, or ppb, It's all just moving the decimal place over. That's it. And so the exact same thing. So if you go back to if you have something like 1 ppm, then that just means 1 part in a million total. So 1 part x, a million total. This is all back in chapter 4, was it? 5? Chapter 5. This is back in chapter 5. So just review that if you know it's so confusing. All right. Okay, we're going to leave chapter 18 then and continue with chapter 14. Is that okay?